What's up, Catskill? It's Maddie.
And Kaylee.
And here's the Catskill News. February break.
President's Day on Monday.
Off all week.
We have winter sectionals.
We should all go and see.
Cats winning.
Our Catskill School store is making custom t-shirts and apparel. They even have a screening machine and heat press. Go to the website link or contact Miss Sirianni to get a quote for your next order.
Attention Cats. The school store is so happy to make custom apparel for Catskill students. The school store is ran by your very own Catskill High School students. To place an order, go to the Catskill website or place an order by emailing jsirianni@catskillcsd.org. See Miss Sirianni with any questions.
Investing in a real business model to benefit our students.
Our amazingly talented Lady Cat Janay Brantley signed to attend SUNY Stony Brook Division I basketball for the fall of 2023. Catskill held an amazing signing ceremony to celebrate her accomplishment.
Is your name, grade, and what position do you play on the team?
Janay, senior, and I'm a guard.
What were your expectations for this year?
To win the sectional title.
Who is your biggest role model?
My brothers, Jordan and Justice, because they thought they were better than me growing up.
What are your expectations when the team goes to sectionals?
Well, listen, we're going to try to finish out our regular season strong. It was our main goal from the beginning to finish our regular season at 20-0. Then we move on to sectionals, and we think we have a very good chance of competing and win the section, and that's going to be our goal, and we're going to work hard to get to it.
Good luck and congratulations.
Thank you so much.
It's been an honor to call Janay Brantley my teammate and my best friend. I love her so much, and I know that she's going to thrive at Stony Brook.
Roll Sea Wolves.
This amazing basketball player, I mean, she's all right, honestly. She's all right, but, she made it this far. We got to congratulate her for how far she made it.
I want to introduce the Brantley family. Janelle Brantley, right here. Brother Jordan Brantley. Nephew JJ. And Mom Erica Brantley. Like I said, we appreciate everybody coming out tonight just for this awesome occasion. It just goes to show what hard work, effort in and out of the classroom will get you. That'll get you a full scholarship to a great university. Without further ado, we're going to get to the moment we've been waiting for. Janay can read through her signing, and she's going to have to sign 3 copies of it. So we have a memo of it. Stony Brook University has their newest basketball player and a future star at Stony Brook.
Congratulations, Janay and the Brantley family.
The Maker is looking for Catskill students to join their team. See guidance for more information about this and other local job opportunities for our students.
National FCCLA Week is this week. Prepare for a fun-filled week of celebrating FCCLA education through participating in chapter activities, engaging in daily challenges, and getting involved in each day's featured theme.
Our physical education department creates a dynamic teaching model with activities that engage our students.
Hello, I would like to introduce you to our new student teacher who's here from Russell Sage College. This is Miss G.
Hi, happy to be here. This is our volleyball tournament. We have the teams listed, the roster, and the schedule that they are playing, the rounds. I keep the standings on my laptop just in case. And we have the rules.
Do you like being here?
Oh, I love being here. I love Catskill. Being from Hudson, that's a lot for me to say. Took a lot. But yeah, the kids are awesome. Everybody listens pretty well. They want to participate. They really like the tournament rather than we're learning just the skill. So they like to get with their friends and on their team and just play.
Are you looking forward to all of our units?
Yes, badminton. Everybody's so excited for the badminton already. They're already planning on it. They're like, when's badminton?
Who do you think is going to win in the volleyball tournament?
I don't know. I can't pick one. They're all so good.
I I like the teamwork that goes into it and playing with your peers and just having lots of fun with it.
The stuff I love about the volleyball unit is it's not hard. It's also not easy. You have to sit there and have a nice amount of aiming and power behind it. And it's fun.
It is a little bit difficult. It's really fun in general. Just like competitiveness and just overall like the vibe that it gives off when everyone's playing.
Alright, so the part challenge that we do after every class is an assessment, daily assessment. The kids put the ball into the hoop. If they get it in, they get their name written down on pad of paper, goes into a jar, and it's picked at the end of the unit. And then if they win, they get $50. The $50 is coming from me, Mrs. Collier, Coach Lampman, Dr. Letta, and Coach Jen. They have like 2 tries after every class, so if they get it in enough, they have more of a higher chance to get the $50.
Another excellent activity for our students at Catskill.
The SUNY New Paltz College Fair will be held on Thursday, April 27th. Scan the QR code and return the permission slip by April 17th. It's a great way to start your college search.
Here's our CNC sports team with a report on our winter sports.
Welcome back, Cats Nation, to our winter sports recap. The regular season has officially wrapped up and the Cats are now getting ready for sectionals and hopefully states.
This year, our boys basketball team had a very young team. It is exciting to look to the future and see a lot of promising players.
Catskill varsity basketball had their senior night on February 3rd. Congratulations to Trayvon Young, Nate Shook Timo. We can't wait to see what the future holds for both of you. The boys put a lot of work in this season, and each player has potential to be good. Can't wait to see you guys play again next season, and congratulations to the senior boys.
Congratulations to our girls basketball team on winning a Patroon Conference championship while also being undefeated. This is a very exciting group of players, and we are very excited to see what is to come in sectional.
Our bowling team is also a young team with only 1 senior. Congratulations to Nick Place for being the sole senior, and congratulations to our bowling team on their season.
The Catskill bowling team had another successful season under the head coach, Mr. Engout. The bowling team is looking forward to the future with so many young players on the team. Congratulations to Nick Place for an amazing senior season and the rest of the team for their hard work.
Our wrestling team had a great year this year. A huge congratulations to Danny Forbes on achieving the accomplishment of 100 wins and also placing second in sectionals.
On January 23rd, the wrestling team faced the Rensselaer Rams and the Waterville Cannoneers for their senior night. The seniors were celebrated by receiving flowers, posters, and gifts. Congratulations to Matthias Brodowski, Austin Baker, and Danny Forbes on a great season. Matthias and Danny both came out with wins. Great job.
Our boys volleyball team had a remarkable season as they are still undefeated and look to compete for another section title. That's all for this week. Tune in for more Cats coverage.
1, 2, 3. Cats Nation, let's ride.
The Acceptance Alliance dance will be held next Wednesday, March 1st, starting at 6 p.m. For a spring break dance back from winter break, tickets are available in advance and at the door.
The Acceptance Alliance dance will be held March 1st at 6 p.m. in the high school cafeteria. Tickets will be $5 in advance and $8 at the door. All money that is made will go to hosting a pride event in Catskill. If you are interested in purchasing tickets, contact any Acceptance Alliance member for more information. We hope to see you there.
What a fun night of dancing at Catskill.
The technology department has implemented a new help desk system to support faculty and staff with their technical needs. They even made a video.
Put an ad or a one-line shout-out for the Sister Act playbill by Monday, February 27th. See Miss Doors for more information and mark your calendars for the show that will be held on March 17th through the 19th.
Here's Mr. Shah with his weekly address to our students and community.
Hey Catskill High School, it's Mr. Shah. We finally made it to break. I hope you all have an outstanding break where you can rest, relax, take some time for yourself. Hopefully the weather stays warm and you can enjoy some time outside. A couple quick things. Just make sure that you give a big congratulations to anyone from the boys varsity volleyball team or girls varsity basketball team as they both played in the Patroons this week. Congrats and good job to all. That's all for now. Have a great day, weekend, and week ahead off. And of course, as always, go Cats. Stay safe. Thanks, everyone.
Here's the Catskill Weather Report.
I'm Ari.
It's Matthias, and here's your weekend weather. Friday, February 17th, there will be a high of 56 and a low of 24 with a 60% chance of rain.
On Saturday, February 18th, there's going to be a high of 41 and a low of 19 with clear skies.
Saturday. Sunday, February 19th, there will be a high of 49 and a low of 27 with cloudy skies.
It was super nice out. Mainly
but it's like weirdly nice for the time. Like, it's still February, and it's
I don't think that we're having winter ever again. We were talking about the Groundhog Day with Mr. Mac.
Yeah. Do we believe in that? I do.
Okay, because I never thought that was real.
No, but like you got.
I thought it was like a one-time thing.
We've always had like snow in like March.
I know, because
we
I
always
was
have that one freak snowstorm where it comes out of nowhere. But it's like feels like spring. It feels like spring.
It really does feel like spring. I have the mental image of spring.
Like the other day, like you know, like smell, like the smell.
Yes.
Of you could
Yes.
smell spring.
Yes.
I smelled
And I drove to work with my sunroof open and my windows down.
I got to use my Ray-Bans. Remember we were talking about Christmas segment? My
Actually,
God.
I bought sunglasses yesterday. I'm Ari.
That's Matthias.
And that's your weekend weather.
I'm not ready.
What did the seed say to the flower?
Stop playing.
Okay, bloomer.
Thanks for watching.
Cats Can and
Catskill.
Catskill.